In this video, you'll learn how to reconcile your accounts against your bank or credit card statement. We at Ascend highly recommend reconciling each month when your bank statement is issued by your bank. And if you have a credit card, we recommend reconciling your credit card account when your statement is issued by the credit card company. This will ensure that you have accurate records, that you've input each deposit and every spend transaction correctly. For this demonstration, let's say that you're reconciling your checking account. First, you'll need your end of the month bank statement. Once you've logged into your Ascend Live account, you'll click Reconcile, and then you'll choose the account that you're reconciling. You'll input the starting balance and date as well as the ending balance and date directly from your bank statement. I will then begin the process of putting a check mark in the box next to each transaction that has cleared my account. I'll first work through my deposits, again checking off every transaction and verifying as we go that the amount for each transaction was input correctly. I will then move over to putting a check mark in my spend transactions. I'm marking off every transaction that's showing on my bank statement as having cleared my account. Please note, if you found that you entered something incorrectly, you can always click Edit on this line, and that will take you back to the original entry where you could change the amount or the payee or correct whatever mistake it is that you've made. Once you save the transaction, you'll return to the Reconcile screen by clicking Reconcile and choosing the account that you were working on, and then we'll continue to check off the expenses that have actually cleared our account. You'll notice up here in the gray box where it says difference, it's showing $5 in green, which means that there's $5 still outstanding, so I don't actually reconcile with my bank statement. You'll notice once I put a check mark in that $5 transaction, the difference is now 0 and the finished button is available, which means that I have reconciled against my bank statement. Please note, there was a check that was written this month that I actually entered into Ascend, but the payee hadn't cashed, so the check had not actually cleared my bank account. So I do not put a check mark in that box because it's not actually showing as cleared on my bank statement. More than likely next month that check is going to clear my account. Once I reconcile against my bank statement, I click Finished, and I have just completed reconciling my checking account against my bank statement. As I mentioned at the start of this video, we highly recommend reconciling each of your accounts every month. This will ensure that you have accurate records, and it is vital to have accurate books. Ascend makes reconciling easy breezy.